Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. The demolition squad on Friday commenced the demolition of 22 structures at Sangolda on Comunidad property. By evening, the squad managed to demolish 14 of the 22 illegal structures. The residents have resolved to boycott the Lok Sabha elections. 3 persons were arrested and a person was grievously injured while removing roof tiles from his house.
The administrator of Comunidad North began the demolition of 22 structures on Comunidad property in Sangolda on Friday after the High Court directives. The High Court of Bombay at Goa, in an order dated February 6, 2024, had dismissed the petition of the owners of the 22 houses seeking extensions. After noting that the applicants kept on applying for extensions, and once the extensions were finally refused, they refused to comply with their undertakings.
Goa government मुळे rehabilitate करायला जागो ना जाऊ किती फक्त दिल्ली करायला इपाक धरला काय मिनिस्टरांची हॉटेला बंद धरला किती फायदा झाला सांग बया तुमची घराच्या लोकांपासून करून पावना होता.
Affected residents have decided to boycott Lok Sabha elections.
आता प्रश्न हे इतके लोक आले ना हे इतके लोक आम्ही वोट घालचे ना अनलेस हांगार एक एग्रीमेंटाचेर पेपराचेर साइन करिना तो एक हांगार हे एग्रीमेंटाचेर साइन करिना न्हू आमचे जाल्यार आम्ही वोटूच घालचे ना आमचे वोटिंग कॅन्सल केले सुद्धा चलता.
Administrator of Comunidad's North Zone could not carry out the demolition of 22 houses located in the survey number 81/1 of Sangolda on February 27 as the demolition squad did not report at the site. As there were strict orders of the High Court and a warning of contempt, the demolition exercise had to be undertaken at the earliest. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has deposed before the range forest officer and given statement in the Shioli tree cutting case. He had to appear before the forest officials following the High Court order. Lobo said that the authorities are scared to speak up as the permission for the tree cutting had lapsed when trees in Shioli were cut. However, the affidavits sworn in the court give out a different story. Listen in.
The matter is in the High Court, so I cannot directly comment on it.
But statement किती तुम्ही
Statement is already given. So
but illegal
that is given as per the direction of the court. So I have to give my statement because that is the main road which comes from Kalangut to Shioli. So I have given my statement and it will be given to the court by them. So I cannot directly tell you.
but illegal tree cutting is happen for that.
See, permission, as per my knowledge, permission was given by the Department of Forest. Permission dila, that permission is already being shown to the High Court by the village panchayat. All permission. Other the permission left sale that did not come to the notice of the PWD or panchayat or the tree cutter or the contractor, whoever it is. So everybody is scared. So let the statement be given to the court. Let the court decide. एक कितें आसलें एक जो तर झाडां आतां कोण येयलो आनी झाडां मारीत गेलो आनी ते कांयच परमिशन ना. हे सगळें परमिशन मागलेलें परमिशन दिल्लें आनी परमिशन लॅप्स जालें. हे 3 गोष्टी आहेत.
But after
Best judge is the High Court because the matter is in the High Court.
after lapse the tree cutting has been happened, sir.
लॅप्स जाले म्हणजे डेट एक्सपायर जाली न्हू तेजे उपरांत कट जाली. पयलीं थोडी कट जाली तेजे उपरांत जी आहली ती लॅप्सान कट जाली अशें म्हणून एलिगेशन आहा.
सर गव्हर्नमेंट जाग्यावर सर जी अशी
Sir, but why they are blaming for you, sir? But sir, एक second. Sir, एक second. अरे सर.
नाही मरे सपले
नहीं बाइट बाकी है मेरा. सर.
अरे तुमचे इथून माझ्या बोलतो मरे. चल पुढे चल.
A lifeless body of a 5-year-old girl was found in suspicious condition at Wade on Friday. SP South Goa Sunita Sawant informed that in the initial findings, froth was notices coming out of the nose of the deceased child. Mortal remains of the child were taken up to the sub-district hospital for checkup, where the doctors pronounced her dead on arrival. The police are investigating the matter to know the exact cause of the death.
वास्को पुलिस स्टेशनाचेर कॉटेज हॉस्पिटल चिकाली हातूंतल्यान इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलें सकाळचे 3 की एक 5.5 वर्साच्या चलये भुरगें हाडिल्लें आसा आनी ताचेर ऑन चॅकींग दे फावंड दॅट द गर्ल इज नो मोर, शी इज डेड. हाज्या बद्दल PI वास्को पुलिस स्टेशन, DYSP, SDPO वास्को आनी हांवूय आसा हांगा वास्को पुलिस स्टेशनाचेर आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशनची सुरवात केल्ली आसा. डेड बॉडी इन्क्वेस्ट पंचनामा जालो की पोस्टमॉर्टमाक आमी धाडपाची तरतूद दवरिल्ली आहा. प्रेझेंटली प्रथमदर्शनी चलयेच्या नाकांतल्यान फ्रॉथ येता असो दिश्टी पडिल्लो आसा आनी हाज्या फुडली इन्वेस्टिगेशन आमचें चालू आसा.
मॅडम लोकांक तुमी हांगा आपयल्लो आसा, सन्मान केल्लो आसा. थोडे
कामगार लोकांक जी ही अंडर कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायट आसा आनी थंय लोक काम करता आनी हे बिगर गोंयकार सगळेच लोक आसा. हांकां आमी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडिल्ले आसा आनी तांचे कडेन तपासकाम चवकशी चालू आसा आमची.
मॅडम IG आयलो न्ही
IGP सर ओमवीर सिंग सुद्दां हांगा येवन आमकां आमचे कडेन डिस्कशन्स करून आमकां तांच्यांनी मार्गदर्शन दिल्लें आहा अंडर हीज सुपरविजन. ऑल्सो वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग इनटू द ऑफेन्स.
Thank you, madam.
Now let's have a look at the various happenings in Goa on the backdrop of the Lok Sabha polls 2024.
केवळ स्वप्नां पळयलीं आनी पत्रकार परिशदो दिल्यो म्हणून मतां येनात आनी त्यामुळे ते मतां जर जाय आसत जाल्यार गांवच्या सकयल्या बुथार वचचें पडटा.
त्या सध्या विद्यमान खासदारा कडल्यान ह्या संपूर्ण मतदारसंघाचेर, तालुक्याचेर आनी किंबहुना संपूर्ण गोव्याचेर जो अन्याय जाला.
आयज तांचे कडेन फूल डेटा आहा एक एकट्याचो. ताका थंयसान खबर आहा आमी कितें जेवता पळय, आमी कितें उलयता पळय.
गोंय हे सामाजीक विचाराचें आदर्श राज्य म्हणून हांगा सगळीं आमी एकत्र रावतात आनी अशीच रावपाक जाय फुडें पसून.
कितले करप्शन करूंक जाय, कितले पयशे जमोवंक जाय, खंय रावंक जाय हाजे प्रयत्न करताले आनी त्या फेरिगान देशाक आशें दिल्यो. म्हाका स्वाभिमान सारको दिसता. खंयच हो देश आमी सगळे भाग्यवान आसात. मोदी सारको प्रायम मिनिस्टर आमकां मेळ्ळो आनी ह्या देशाक ह्या सगळ्या हातूंतल्यान वयर काडपाचे प्रयत्न जे आसात म्हणजे जे स्वप्न दवरल्या प्लॅनिंग केलें. गेल्या 10 वर्सां दवरला की देशाचो विकास जाला. गोंयच आमी उदाहरण घेवया. तातूंत डिटेल वतना म्हणजे पयलींचे सगळ्या वक्त्यांनी आमदारांनी
आणि म्हणून ह्या सगळ्या लोकांचो पाठिंबा म्हाका मेळटलो अशी म्हाजीय खात्री आसा. ह्या दोनूय मतदारसंघात मताधिक्य म्हाका मेळटलें, काँग्रेसीक मताधिक्य मेळटलें. गेली 25 वर्सां जे कितें कार्य घडलें ना त्या सध्या विद्यमान खासदारा कडल्यान ह्या संपूर्ण मतदारसंघाचेर, तालुक्याचेर आनी किंबहुना संपूर्ण गोव्याचेर जो अन्याय जाला ताचे परिमार्जन आमी करुया अशा प्रकारचो निश्चय हांगासरल्या मतदारसंघातल्या कार्यकर्त्यां कडल्यान आनी मतदारां कडल्यान व्यक्त जायत आसा. त्यांच्या ह्या सरळपणे आनी उत्स्फूर्तपणे मेळणाऱ्या ह्या प्रतिसादा बद्दल हांव जनतेचे आभार मानता.
90% भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे उमेदवार स्वताच्या आधाराचेर मनोहरभाई पर्रेकर, त्या वेळाचेर आमचे श्रीपाद भाऊ नायक, नरहरी हळदणकर आनी आमचे दिगंबर कामत हांकां निवडून हाडपाक तेजें कसलें कंट्रिब्युशन आसा, पणजेन तेजें कसलें कंट्रिब्युशन आसा, वाळपय कितें आसा, मडगांव कितें आसा, श्रीपाद भाऊ मडकय हाडपाक तेजें कितें कंट्रिब्युशन आसा. त्यामुळे उगीच बाता तेणें करचें न्ही. तेणें आपलो सीट पळोवचो आनी तेणें पळोवचें की आपलें निदान डेपॉझिटरी उरचें इतली चिंता तेणें करची. त्यामुळे दुसऱ्याचेर आरोप करचे न्ही. केवळ उलोवपाक मेळटा म्हणून उलोवपाचें तेणें बंद करचें अशें हांव रमाकांत घालपाक सांगपाक.
आमच्या लोकांक स्पेशली द मिडल क्लास एंड लोअर मिडल क्लास हांकां एक फॅसिलिटी बांदपाक जाय आसली फॉर बेटर ट्रीटमेंट टू फायनली मेक इट इंटू अ सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल. आमकां बॉम्बे और दिल्ली और कर्नाटका बेलगांव वचपाची गरज पडना तशी. आतां आमकां पळोवन येता वो सरकार इज ट्रायिंग टू प्रायवेटायज दॅट हॉस्पिटल आणि ते तर सक्सीड झाले इन प्रायवेटायझिंग. व्हॉट विल हॅपन? फॉर सिंपल ट्रीटमेंट वी विल हॅव टू पे फ्रॉम आवर पॉकेट. हे पळय हॉस्पिटल बांदला ते आमच्या पैशांनी. इट इज लायक सेईंग हांवें कॉस्ट काडलो, सॅक्रिफायस केले, हांवें घर बांदलें आनी त्या घरान भितर सरपाक डेली म्हाका फी दिवची पडटा. सिंपल एज दॅट. वो सरकार प्रायवेटायज करून खंयच्या कंपनी कडचे आपणाच्या पॉकेटान पैसे घालता आनी इलेक्शन येतोच मागीर ते पैसे हाडटात वोटिंगाक. सो वी गिव यू एन एश्युरन्स. फाटल्या असेंब्लीन जशे आमचे 3 MLA अलॉंग विथ द अलायन्स पार्टनर्स द ऑपोजिशन MLA गॉट टुगेदर टू ओपोज प्रायवेटायझेशन. हांव तुमकां एश्युअर करता that from my side as a member of parliament we will oppose this. We will stand by the people. We will protect the interest of the people.
आम्ही सदा म्हणता की गोंय एक सामाजिक एकचाराचे आदर्श राज्य म्हणून हांगा सगळीं आमी एकत्र रावतात आनी अशीच रावपाक जाय फुडें पसून. 7 मे मतदान दीस. म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा की तुमचे मोलादीक मत भारतीय जनता पार्टीक वतले म्हणून ही आमची मना काळजांतल्यान तुमकां सगळ्यांक मागणी. तुमच्या अंजुमन स्कुलान हांगा 2800 भुरगीं आसात आनी 150 शिक्षक आसात आनी ऑलमोस्ट 45 वर्सां जालीं हें असोसिएशन सुरू जावन. खरेंच बरी गजाल. आनी 15 वर्सांनी हें स्कूल सुरू जावन. तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव बेस्ट विशीज दिता.
An unknown four-wheeler rammed into a yellow-black rickshaw at Chogam Road on Friday evening. The rickshaw overturned and the driver has sustained minor injuries. Panjim motorists have raised serious concern over a growing issue of fuel spillage on the main road near Ambedkar Garden opposite to the KTC bus stand. This issue poses a significant threat to daily commuters, as evidenced by a recent incident where a female rider from Porvorim slipped on the road due to spilled diesel oil. Fortunately, firefighters immediately responded to the incident and covered the affected area with dry soil. However, the motorists have demanded immediate action to address this recurring problem to ensure the safety of all road users in the area.
On Friday, a two-wheeler rider coming from Porvorim was heading towards Panjim when the rider slipped due to the fuel spillage and fell near the sharp turn intersection near Panjim KTC bus stand opposite Ambedkar Garden. Luckily, the woman rider escaped unharmed. Fortunately, the pink force vehicle passing by the same route stopped and helped the distressed. Panjim firefighters immediately after reached the spot and cleared the road by covering it with dry soil. Sagun for Herald TV.
Union of Chichini Villages defeated Compassion FC by 3-2 in the Khelo India Under-13 Girls Football Tournament match played at AstroTurf Ground, Fatauda. Karen D'Souza netted a brace while Annalie D'Souza scored the other goal. Lilian Rodriguez reduced the margin for Compassion FC.
UCB TKS team.
What is the experience, sir? You have now won the Under-13 Khelo India.
It was a wonderful experience. The girls played their heart out. Each and every match they've been keeping on improving, and I hope this kind of tournaments happens more often and a lot of tournaments so that we can grow women football in Goa and India and take it to the top
level. How many teams you did you win? How many games did you win?
We played in the Super League. We played, this was our 4th match, and the last match with a tough opponents. And we made it finally. The girls played a really good game, and we deserved the victory.
Yeah, in the today's final, your girls played much better in the first half. And what is the result in the second half? What happened in the second half?
Second half, because there is so much of heat, humidity, and the girls are still young. They are still nourishing to play football. So the heat plays another important role for them to get tired, and especially on the artificial turf ground. If it was a grass ground, it would have made much more different, but since it's a turf, the heat is from down and up, so it gets them tired soon. In the second half, they were slightly more tired.
The competition was a very tough team.
Yes, indeed, they are a tough team. They have a strong team, they have good players and good selection of players. They play really tough, so we were prepared for them in each and every way to go ahead on with them, and finally we did it.
Margao Sports Club overthrew CAC Kansaulim by 4-0 in the inaugural match of Lotli Panchayat Cup on Thursday. The exciting match was organized by Socio-Cultural Club Lotli and played at Montir Ground, Lotli.
In the first session of play, CAC Kansaulim Aaron Fernandez missed the opportunity to score in the 10th minute of play, while Margao Francisco Andrade's left footer missed the target by whiskers before the half-time. The score line remained 0-0 at the break. Changing over, Margao drew first blood through Hanshalum Furtado with neat placement in the 40th minute, while Dominic Soares shot from the box punched away by Margao keeper Carol Soares. Later on, Edison Dyer scored for Margao in the 50th minute. In the last quarter, Hanshalum Furtado scored twice in the 55th and 60th minutes to complete his hat-trick. Sarpanch of Lotoli Jonah Fernandez presented the Man of Match award to Hanshalum Furtado of Margao SC. For Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.